Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the source list reliable. Remove empty rows, convert to a table, and ensure contiguous cells. Once done, select the exact target range and verify no merged or protected cells block changes. Then open data validation and pick the validation type that matches your need: list, date, whole number, or custom formula. I tell you why. Accurate source and clean targets prevent false rejections and broken dropdowns, so don't skip these first actionable steps. Now you craft the validation itself. Switch to a list validation for dropdowns and reference an absolute range or a table name so it stays stable when rows move. For complex cases, use custom validation with and/or isNumber, len, or date value to express rules you can't pick from the menu. Make sure to toggle ignore blank appropriately and apply the rule to the full intended range. After that, test with representative entries so you catch logic gaps before rollout. Finish by adding an input message and a firm error alert to explain what you expect. That reduces mistakes. If users still get blocked, inspect cell formatting, hidden spaces, text versus number types, and any merged or protected cells that silently break rules. For dynamic dropdowns, use a table or a formula like index/counta or offset to keep the list growing. If problems persist, temporarily remove validation to test individual rules, then reapply once you isolate the faulty condition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.